spending thousands on animation agencies or wasting weeks learning professional softwares? Those days are over. Animation used to be the content type that separated the pros from the amateurs, but not in the AI age. I'm about to show you how Autodraft AI is changing the game, letting anyone create professional animations in a single tool with simple text prompts. I made this adorable dog care animation guide without touching a single keyframe or drawing tool. The best part? What used to take days now takes minutes. Let me show you how. Got a furry friend at home? Caring for your dog is more than just belly rubs and treats. Start with proper nutrition. Choose high-quality dog food made for your pup's age, size, and breed. Exercise is key. Daily walks or playtime keep your dog fit and happy. Don't skip the vet. Regular checkups and vaccinations are a must. Grooming keeps them clean and comfortable. Brush, bathe, and trim those nails. And most of all, give them love, attention, and a safe space to call home. Happy dog, happy life. We're going to open Autodraft AI homepage, select Animation Studio, select the style that we want for our animation, and name the new project Caring for Dog at Home. First, we'll start with the image generation tool to create our backgrounds. Click on Image Generation and upload a reference image from your computer. I'm selecting a beautiful green park image. Once you drag the image, select Freeform and click Done. Choose Image Stylization, and notice how Autodraft AI automatically generates a prompt based on your image. Click Generate and wait for the platform to create your stylized background. Now we will repeat this process for all the other backgrounds. Watch closely. You'll notice all backgrounds maintain a consistent style, which is crucial for professional-looking animation. Next, let's import some assets for our video. First, I'll add some dog food images. Simply click Import, select your asset, choose Free From, and click Done. The asset will appear on your timeline and screen. Now, let's create our voiceover. Go to AI Voice Teacher and select a voice. I'm choosing Mark for this tutorial. I told you that you could turn simple text into... I've prepared a script about dog care using ChatGPT, but you can use any AI writing tool for this. Copy your text into the voice generator and click Generate Audios. All your narration will appear in the timeline. With our backgrounds and audio ready, go to the Image Generation Watch feature and import our first background. Let's bring in some characters. From the character list, select the dog character, click on Idle Setting, resize and place according to your background, then click on Path. Two dogs will appear on your screen, one at point A and one at point B. Select the dog at point A and choose the running animation. On the timeline, extend this animation to cover half the audio duration. Use the split option, duplicate it, and complete the running animation. Then click on Path. Next, I'll add a jumping animation for when the dog reaches point B. It's amazing how easily we can create complex animations in Autodraft AI. For our second scene, import the house background and place some dog food on the table. Then select a female character to be the dog owner. Use the flip option to position her correctly. For this scene, she's not speaking, so go to the control section and select No for speaking but Enable for eye blinking. Extend the dog's jumping animation into this scene for continuity. For our third scene, I'll use the park bench background. Position both characters where you want them, then add a more complex animation. I want the dog jumping from one bench to another. Split the scene, duplicate it, click Path again, and split the timeline. Click Path again, and split the timeline. Then flip the character, click Path again, we will split the timeline and add clapping and some expression to the dog owner. And split the timeline. Click Path again, and your dog will jump between benches. For our fourth scene, we'll use a doctor's clinic background. Import both characters from previous scenes. Maintaining character consistency is effortless in Autodraft AI. Add a third character, the veterinarian. And give them a talking animation. Here we will add idle and eye blink animation for dog. And we'll add idle animation for dog owner. Enable eye blinking for added realism. Let's return to our first frame and add a new asset table. Import both characters from previous scenes and split the timeline. Position all characters appropriately. Disable previous expression for dog owner. Add a new asset, a bucket of water. Now, here's where Autodraft AI truly shines. And go to the frame option there, you will see two options. Click on Frame to Video option, you get AI Video Generator section, and simply type "girl bathing the dog" as your prompt. Click Generate. The system will automatically create a complex animation from your simple description. For our final scene, I'll use the park background again, with both characters. I'll position the dog owner sitting close to the dog. Here we will add sitting on knees for dog owner. And go to the frame option again. Click on Frame to Video option. Then use the AI Video Generator with the prompt "girl hugging and loving dog." Click Generate. Once your AI video got generated, then you add to the timeline and adjust it according to your audio duration. Once all animations are ready, go to the frame option again and select AI Thumbnail. Type a prompt like "sitting happy dog with a bowl of food nearby and a smiling girl sitting near a dog." Add the title "Happy Dog, Happy Life" and generate your thumbnail. To make our animation more dynamic, let's add camera movements. Select frames and use the camera option to focus on specific characters. For example, I'll create a camera movement that starts wide and zooms in on the girl and dog. Finally, add your thumbnail as the ending frame with some text overlay. Download thumbnail from here. Go to Assets option, click on Upload, select your frame, and click on Freeform and Done. Now set as you want. Again, we will add camera here, click on camera, and set as you want. For audio enhancement, go to AI Voice and select AI Sound Effects. Type dog sound. Set your desired duration and click Generate. Now I will type clapping sound and then click Generate. I'll also add a dog happy moaning sound Now, listen to your generated sounds and then click on Add to Scene. It will be added to your timeline. And position these effects on the timeline. Same you will repeat for other sounds. Here we will change thumbnail frame. Go to Assets option, click on Upload, select your frame, and click on Freeform and Done. Now set as you want. Happy dog, happy life. Got a furry friend at home? Care? When everything looks perfect, click Save and Download. And you will see HD 720p, Full HD, 1080p, and 4K. Select what you want and download. No hidden fees or credits required. It's now time to see what we made and preview the entire animation. Got a furry friend at home? Caring for your dog is more than just belly rubs and treats. Start with proper nutrition. Choose high-quality dog food made for your pup's age, size, and breed. Exercise is key. Daily walks or playtime keep your dog fit and happy. Don't skip the vet. Regular checkups and vaccinations are a must. Grooming keeps them clean and comfortable. Brush, bathe, and trim those nails. And most of all, give them love, attention, and a safe space to call home. Happy dog, happy life. So there you have it, a professional-looking animation created in minutes without any design skills or experience, and without the hassle of going through multiple apps and platforms just to churn out one good animation. Imagine what you could create with Autodraft AI. Educational content for your classroom, or product demos for your business, or engaging social media posts that stop the scroll. Everything is possible all in one tool. The best part is that you can try Autodraft AI today for free. Just visit the link in the description to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more animation creation tips and tools that will save you time and make your content stand out. Drop a comment letting me know what you'd create with Autodraft AI, and I might feature your idea in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.